Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore products that aim to enhance your everyday routine. If you've been looking for something to take your oral care to the next level, today's review will be right up your alley. We're diving into the Crest Pro Health Gum Detoxify Deep Clean Toothpaste, designed not just to clean your teeth, but to protect your gums and enamel as well. It's marketed as a toothpaste that helps reverse gingivitis, heals gums, and provides a deep clean, all while keeping your enamel in top shape. That sounds like a lot for a toothpaste to live up to, but let's see how it actually performs. This toothpaste comes in a pack of 3 4.8-ounce tubes. At first glance, it's your standard-sized toothpaste, but there's one big thing that sets it apart. It's a gum detoxifying toothpaste. If you're someone who suffers from gum sensitivity or even bleeding gums, this might be a game changer. The formula contains ingredients clinically proven to help heal gums and reverse gingivitis. One of the main selling points is that it's designed to neutralize plaque bacteria from day one, which is promising for anyone concerned about gum health. In terms of usage, I found it fairly easy to incorporate into my daily routine. The texture is a bit different from your typical paste. It has a smooth consistency and creates a mild lather, which I actually preferred. As for taste, it's not overly minty or overpowering. It has a gentle, clean feeling without that strong aftertaste that some toothpastes leave behind. One thing I was keen to test was the gum healing promise. After a few days of using it, I did notice that my gums felt a bit more soothed. For people who have sensitive gums or are prone to bleeding while brushing, this could be a real relief. That said, it's important to note that the results might vary for those with more severe gum issues. Though it claims to heal gums from day one, full results likely require consistent use over time. As far as plaque control goes, it definitely held its own. My teeth felt cleaner for longer, and there was less buildup around my gum line. I also appreciated the added benefit of enamel protection, which is a concern for a lot of us. After weeks of use, I didn't notice any signs of enamel wear, so it seems like it does its job in maintaining that delicate balance between cleaning and protecting. Let's talk about the price. This 3-pack runs at a premium price point. However, when you consider that you're getting both gum healing and enamel protection in one formula, it's not a bad deal. The quality of the ingredients, especially the clinically proven ones, makes it worth the investment for those looking for a higher level of care. For those on a tighter budget, there are cheaper alternatives that may not have the same gum-specific benefits, but they still offer a solid clean. In terms of build quality, there's nothing really extraordinary about the packaging. It's functional and straightforward. The cap is secure, and the toothpaste dispenses without issue. For those concerned about the shelf life, the packaging ensures that the product stays fresh for a reasonable amount of time. If you're someone who's serious about gum health and enamel protection, this toothpaste is a solid choice. It's not just about cleaning, it's about healing and protecting long-term. Whether or not it's worth the higher price depends on how much you value those added benefits. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Does it live up to the hype for you? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.